Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Let's talk about understanding auto warranties and service contracts. Thinking about buying a new or used car? You might be offered an auto service contract to help cover future repairs, but is it worth the cost? And how does it differ from a warranty that might already come with your vehicle? Let's start with warranties. A manufacturer's warranty is included in the price of a new vehicle. It covers specific repairs for limited time or mileage, whichever comes first. Some used cars also include warranty protection. Service contracts versus warranty. Now, auto service contracts, sometimes called extended warranties. These are sold separately. They may add coverage or pay for routine services like oil changes, but they aren't the same as warranty under the law because you buy them separately and you don't need to use the dealer for maintenance to keep your warranty. Just make sure the work is done properly and keep your receipts. If poor installation or defective parts cause damage, the warranty may not cover it. What to ask before you buy? If you're considering a service contract, ask, how much does it cost? What's covered? Can you choose your repair shop? Does it cover wear and tear? And most importantly, who's backing the contract? Watch out for scams. Be careful with offers that come by phone, text, or mail after you purchase. They may look official, using terms like final notice or warranty expiring, but many are high-pressure sales tactics from unrelated companies. You may never get the service you paid for. If you have a problem with a service contract, contact a dealer or a contract provider first. Still stuck? Reach out to the State Attorney General or file a report at reportfraud.cft.gov. Stay informed and protect your wallet. Do you buy these extended warranties? You find that you're overpaying and there's underperformance? Have you had success? Or for the most part, they are just a ripoff? Comment, let me know. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.